Hi there, this is a quick video on how to use the CSTA Virtual Community Member Directory. I'm on csteachers.org and there are two ways to get to the community. One, underneath Member Login here on the Member Dashboard, you'll find a button to get to the community. And secondly, underneath the Membership tab, CSTA Virtual Community. I'm going to go ahead and click underneath the Membership tab. Next, I'll be prompted to log in. That security check we know. I'm going to go ahead and click log in for the CSTA community. Awesome. My credentials are already saved, but you can also click forgot login if you don't remember. Awesome, now I'm on the community and we're going to go ahead and check out the CSTA member directory. It's the fourth tab here in the navigation bar. I'm going to go ahead and click here. Awesome. So from here, you can find any member that has opted into the member directory, and you'll be able to add them as a contact or send them a message on the virtual community platform. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of reach out to a board member. All right, so I know their first and last name. I'll go ahead and put that in any tabs. If they haven't provided their company name or if you know their email, that might be another way to search for them. Awesome, I'm gonna click Find Members. Great, that was a really quick way to find one of our newest board members, Charity. So I can send them a message here that will go through the community, or I can add them as a contact. I'm gonna go ahead and click Add Contact. Awesome, so once Charity accepts my contact request, I can actually see their email as well as additional information that they're sharing with contacts. So again, I'm going to go back to the search options in the member directory. And let's say I met someone at a conference or worked with someone in a PD group a few years ago, and I want to find them. I knew their name was Jane, and I'm not sure what their last name is, so I'll just put as much as I know. It started with a B. I'll go ahead and click Find Members. And you'll see that there's a couple different members that are coming up. And let's say it was Janet, and I recognize kind of what city and state they're from. This information will also include any international members as well. So I'll go ahead and either send them a message or add contact. Maybe the message would say, hey, remember me from ITSE a few years ago or the CSTA conference in 2018. Again, once I add them as a contact, I'll be able to see further contact information. If I click on my profile up here, under the icon and then I click profile, any messages, so the send message would be here, or system messages underneath here in the right upper hand corner. You can see my connections. Let's see if I have any. It might suggest people I know by email, so I'll go ahead and request Brian. I'll go ahead and request Melissa and Sandra. Okay, and again, it's going to push me back to the directory as I don't have anyone that's accepted my connections yet. So that is a bit on how you use the CSTA member directory. I hope it's helpful. It's a great way to either keep your email kind of private, or if you want to take kind of conversations offline, once you've accepted them as a contact, you can go ahead and share that information. We keep members' information private, and this is a great way to reach out to people in the community in a safe way. Once I'm done, I can go ahead and click the upper right corner and log out, and we'll see you on the internet. Thanks so much.